Introducing Dahua's new SDT3E and SDT4E multi-vision PoE cameras. Look wider, protect deeper. Take a look inside. With an 8-megapixel 180-degree panoramic view, the SDT3E provides total coverage, allowing you to zoom up to 10 times for even more detail. And if you're looking for that extra zoom power, the SDT4E boosts it to 25 times. The sound and light alarm, which includes red and blue flashing lights and a built-in speaker, acts as a preventative measure to deter potential threats. The SDT3E and 4E cameras have two working modes, independent and linkage. In independent mode, each camera functions independently, supporting different AI capabilities simultaneously. Linkage mode syncs the two cameras for smart tracking. With linkage tracking, the detail cameras lock onto a target detected in the panoramic view and tracks it until it leaves the panoramic frame. Relay tracking allows the detail camera to keep following the target even when it's outside the panoramic view. For more information about our products and solutions, you can visit the links below or contact your local Dahua retailer.